Let's dive straight into a story that's been heating up in Zimbabwe. Have you heard about asingaChivhayo? This businessman has been causing quite a stir with his explosive claims. The scene unfolds with the Zanu PF's Youth League, a major political force in Zimbabwe, stepping into the spotlight. They've issued a stern warning to asingaChivhayo, a figure they describe as an ex-convict turned tenderpreneur. Chivhayo's been in the headlines for a series of leaked audio clips where he boasts about having President Emmerson Mnangagwa in his pocket, claiming it helps him secure government contracts without a hitch. Now, these aren't just idle claims. According to reports, these audios have spread like wildfire across social media, leading many to question the transparency of Mnangagwa's administration. In these recordings, Chivhayo doesn't hold back. He suggests he's very close to the president, insinuating that this proximity allows him a certain, let's say, ease in obtaining lucrative deals. But here's where it gets even more intriguing. In a twist, Chivhayo has completely distanced himself from these recordings. He argues that his voice was mimicked through sophisticated technology, aiming to stir up trouble and tarnish his reputation. He denies ever recording or sharing these messages and labels them as fraudulent. The Zanu PF Youth League, clearly infuriated, has condemned these actions. They've described the audios as malicious, unfounded, and scandalous. But there's more at stake here than just personal grievances. They believe these acts aim to discredit not just Chivhayo, but also President Mnangagwa and the legitimacy of his government, especially following their victory in the recent elections. So, what's the real story here? Is it a case of political manipulation, a personal vendetta, or something even more complex? As these events continue to unfold, it's clear that the implications could be far-reaching, not just for the individuals involved, but for the entire political landscape of Zimbabwe. I'll keep you updated as more details emerge. But for now, remember, in the world of politics and power, things aren't always as they seem. Stay tuned, stay questioning. Thanks for watching.